Alright guys, so now we're going to be doing spark plugs and new fuel injectors. Okay, so in order to do that, we'll start with the spark plugs. You're going to need to get 10mm and pull off that bolt on each one of them. Now this is 6-cylinder. It's a V6. Actually surprised me. I thought it was a straight 6 until I looked at it just now. So I got 3 on this side I got to take out, and then 3 on this side. So I'm going to have to take out the air cleaner and a few other parts on this side. But we're going to go ahead and get started on the driver's side. So 10mm, and then you're going to have to disconnect these connections. Okay, so in order to get the spark plug out, you're going to need a 5/8 socket that has a rubber fitting inside. That's 4 spark plugs. You'll need a long extension because it's down in the case, and you want to be able to get your wrench on it. So that's why you need a long extension. And the reason for that rubber piece, you'll see in a second, so you can actually pull it out of the hole. So they're not very tight. Okay, so it's stuck in there. Wow, you can look at, it's hard to tell, but that gap is huge. Okay, I'll show you a new one. So there's an old one, and there's the new one. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure the gap is proper on this vehicle, on these new spark plugs. Okay, so there's many ways you can gap spark plugs. They have this tool. If you can see, there's little prongs that are preset at different sizes. Okay, this car needs to be at a 0.04. Unfortunately, actually, never mind, this one does have it. You have it right, it's hard to read, right at the top here. So you can use that one, or you can use this one here. And what it is, it's like a wedge, and as you turn it, it gets wider and wider. I prefer these because it's easier to get the exact spot you want. You're not forcing it in. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. Go to the 0.04 setting. I don't know if you can read that. Let's see here. No, you can't read it. But anyways, we'll go to the 0.04 setting. So already right off the bat, these other ones, definitely something's going on with them. They're either worn out or the gap opened up. They're almost 0.055. A little big for what we need here. So just by putting new spark plugs in, we're gonna get better gas mileage. I'm gonna check these, and all you do is you just slide it in. Get a better view here. Just slide it in and work it until it hits the 0.4. Now I like to do this side on the 0.4 because then it's open the whole thing up. You don't want to go past it because that'll be too much. So there's the 0.04. So we're going to go ahead and put this one in. Now you don't want to just drop it in there. You want to slowly go in, find the threads, don't cross thread them, because then you'll be re-threading your engine, which is not fun. So what I recommend doing is going down and just backing it backwards, and you'll feel it drop on the first thread. And then at that point you can start going forward on it, You can almost hand tighten these. Go all the way down, and then you're just going to take your wrench and do one more turn, maybe two more turns, but not. So I'm holding two fingers on it, that's it, so I don't get a lot of torque. Good. That one's done. So we're going to repeat that process for all three of these. Gonna go and put the coil back in. Now I may need to pull those out. No, I might need to pull those out when I do the injectors, but we'll see. For now, I'm just gonna put them back in.